How to create a chatbot in 5 minutes using Qiscus Robolabs. First, log into your Qiscus Multichannel Chat account. Then, select the Robolabs menu on the left. Once you have accessed Robolabs, the first step is to create a bot project. Select Bot Integration at the top of the Robolabs view. Then, select Add Project from dialog flow. Select Create New GCP Project to create a bot project using your Google account. Then, click Sign in with Google. After that, select or enter the details for your preferred Google account. After that, check the option to give Robolabs permission to view and potentially modify the data in your Google Cloud. Then, click Continue. Your Google account is now already pinned in Robolabs. If you have never logged onto the GCP console or dialog flow previously, you will need to log in to the GCP console first to receive Google's terms of service before continuing with the integration. Click the link below to go to the GCP console. After that, select your country and check the terms of service provided by Google here. Then, click Agree and Continue. After that, return to Qiscus Robolabs to continue the integration process. Click Next to continue. In Step 1, enter your bot's name. Then, select the language you want to use, and also the time zone. Click Next. In Step 2, you will receive a service account key from Google that you will need to save for later. Save this file in case you will need it. Type Next, and the file will be downloaded after the integration process is complete. In Step 3, you can select the channel you want this bot project to manage. Keep in mind, you must integrate your previous channel into Qiscus Multichannel Chat. If you want to set it another time, skip this step. In Step 4, we have provided a ready-to-use bot template that can be implemented directly on your bot. Choose one of the bot templates you want, or skip this step if you don't need to. Then, click Finish. The process of making this bot takes 3 to 5 minutes. Wait until your bot is ready. The service account key from Google has been downloaded in the form of a JSON file, and you will be able to retrieve it later on. Congratulations! Your bot is ready, and you can customize it according to your business needs in Qiscus Robolabs.